What a lot of people don't know about FX is Diego actually wrote this while sitting in an FX.
Nasulat ko yun habang nasa FX, na parang usually kasi sa FX, di ba, pagka sumakay ka, tapos may sumakay na tao
May bagong sumakay.
na kilala mo pala, forced mo siyang kausapin. Na hanggang sa buong traffic at buong kailangan mo mag-think of something, di ba? Na to keep up the vibe, gano'n. Oo, gano'n, di ba? So sinulat ko lang yung...
May nakitang...
yun yung lagi na lang, parang lagi na, nandito siya. Dito pa tayo nakita sa FX.
Yep, so he was literally inside an FX when he wrote the song. Or at least, that's where he got the idea for it. When I had Diego on the Able podcast, I just had to ask him about his creative process, how he writes music, how he writes his songs. And it turns out, there's no single formula for Diego.
It can be a riff or a lyric or something that I want to say, no?
Sometimes it's inspiration from a completely different genre. And FX actually started out as a rap track before it became the song that we know of today.
It's a rap actually.
Yeah,
Parang as if, binuo ko yung rap. Pinitch ko yata kay Rames na na yung rap lang with the bassline actually. I made a demo. Pero hindi pa yung pinaniskinratch niya lahat ng music. Naalala ko. And then pumasok si Jason and si Raymond at binuo nila yung areglo behind it, creating a chorus ganyan with what I had.
So if you want to hear more about Diego and how he writes his music, check out the full episode. It's on Able Asia's YouTube channel.